Good morning. Hi, good morning. It is Monday morning. I am gonna do a little meal ideas for college. I sound like I lost my voice, which is news to me. I'm just finding this out. Grab this. So, normally I have my cold brew in the fridge. We know that this is like an ongoing thing. I just got back from Nashville, from the weekend in Nashville, so I don't have any cold brew made right now, but I do have this little matcha latte, which was in my fridge, which is like coconut milk, green tea. So my point is today I'm going to do a little video just about healthy meal ideas. Nothing crazy, it's just kind of what I eat day to day, and I'll just kind of vlog my day as well to make it a little more interesting. Right now it's about 9:15 and I just woke up. I put on some gym clothes and I'm going to run to the gym real quick. I'm probably going to go grab a coffee after, because there's like a little coffee shop right next to the gym. So I was in Nashville this weekend, so I have a lot to unpack, clean, etc. But I might do it with a little movie on, a little candle, you know, make it fun. But yeah, Nashville, Tennessee was amazing. I will put some pictures in here. It is my favorite city on earth now. I just literally love it so much and felt so happy there. Everyone was so genuine, so nice. I was going to make a video on it, but I just went with like 14 of my friends and I just wanted to have a fun time and not like be worried about recording and filming stuff. So I'm just gonna drink this before the gym, whereas normally I would have a coffee because it has coconut milk in there, so it's kind of like having a yogurt or an oat milk, just having like a little something on my stomach to go to the gym. And then I'll come back and do my breakfast, which will probably be avocado with egg. Just really simple, but who knows what I'll be in the mood for.
I'm on the way down, catch the vibe and I feel okay. I got nothing to do but kick it with you. I'm on the way down, catch the vibe when I see your face. I got nothing to say.
Back from the gym and I got a little cold brew with pumpkin in it, and I love this place because they have cold brew ice cubes, so like when it melts it doesn't get watery or anything. And I added a little pumpkin in there. I really am going all in with the fall stuff right now. I've got these little leaves in the corner. I actually got a bunch of stuff from Bath & Body Works, like new candles last week, so I will open those up right now because I'm so excited. Okay, I just got a little bag and I'm so excited. Normally this time of year I'm working at Anthropologie, so I get all Anthropologie candles and like get a discount. Okay, this is not a candle. Okay, this is not a candle. But these were some little socks. They have a little fox on them. I thought these were really cute. Oh, I love this one. Leaves, it's kind of like, oh, cinnamon, apple, like, and it's a cute little jar. Like, has a little mousse. Cute. Pumpkin apple. It tastes like apple juice. Okay, now I have a little sweater on. Okay, also I was in Trader Joe's the other day. Really went in. So one of the weird things I got was this little cinnamon stick, just for no reason. What am I eating today? Okay, so I'm about to make an egg with avocado, drink it with my coffee, maybe a chicken sausage if I'm like starving. As a little healthy tip, never not never, but try to avoid using a full avocado because yes, it's a healthy fat, but it also is a lot of fat and it's a lot of calories. So I just always prefer to do a half or a fourth of one. But yeah, I never do a full one. It's really heavy. Another tip I would have is just like drinking water whenever you can, like going to class, driving to class, in class, while you're sitting watching Netflix. Like that's a really simple basic tip, but it's something we could forget. So get a really nice big hydro flask, really nice big water bottle. So like pause this, go get a cup of water, come back. Yeah, and also another tip I would just have to say in college is like cooking for yourself. Eating out all the time is not only expensive, it's like not the best for you and you can't really control what's in your food. I started doing this freshman year. It's hard in a dorm, I'll tell you that. It's like actually hard to eat healthy, but I got this little thing that you could microwave an egg in and we had a little mini fridge, so I would make myself like a little egg every day instead of going and getting a bagel. And if you do like pancakes or bagels, that's fine. That's not bad, but there are better substitutes. If I was not having an egg and avocado today, I'll like put some breakfast ideas about things that I would normally have. I'm gonna unpack from Nashville, watch Love Island, and eat my breakfast. I literally love these because they have like a little note about the chickens, like where they come from. Just make sure to always try to get free range eggs instead of cage free, because cage free they're still all in one building like most of the time, still cooped up and stuff, but free range means they actually are in the pasture running around. So try to get that type of egg. My little egg, I'm gonna season it with a little red pepper, like cayenne pepper, and then everything but the bagel. So I'm gonna do both of those, maybe a little drizzle of lemon, and that's it. It's pretty simple. I am going to make myself a chicken sausage because I just like feel like I haven't gotten enough sustenance today. So I'm gonna make that real quick. I need to refresh my cold brew like maker, so I was just gonna show how I do that really quickly. So I've been cleaning my room a little while. Things are looking a little better. So the other day I got this. They're chips and they're shaped like fall leaves. I got fall salsa. So it's like pumpkin, apples, squash, like I'm gonna meet one of my friends in about an hour and we're just gonna like do homework, get coffee, hang out a little at this like cute cafe. Yeah, so gonna have my little snack. I'm so excited and I'm feeling real seasonal. Pricey, but it's like so worth it. Like I just have to wear way less makeup. I love that. They are expensive, okay, but some people like get their nails done all the time, get their eyebrows done all the time. Like I don't really do any of that, but I could do like a whole video on them, but I really have been enjoying those. So tell me what you think. My ideas, whatever. So just thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.